Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon unboxing, unbagging video. And as you can see, it arrived a little bit open. Thank God it wasn't raining today because they didn't seal this all the way. But it makes it a little bit easier for me to open. So I know what's in here. I just ordered this a few days ago. I don't know when this is going to go up on the channel though. So this is a teeny tiny art pad. It is the Strathmore Black Mixed Media paper. This is watercolor paper in black. It is the 400 series, and it is a lot smaller than I expected it to be. Now, this is 6 inches by 8 inches, and I really wasn't paying attention to the size when I bought it. I just wanted some black paper, so watercolor paper specifically, so I could test out some of my metallic watercolors. So you can see there's a little bit of an issue right here where it got dented in, but it's not that big of a deal. So I don't know if it goes through yet. It does go on the second page, and the third page, and the fourth page, and the fifth page. Okay. So it looks like the first 5 pages have an indentation, and a little wee bit on the 6th, but you could barely tell. And this is supposed to be watercolor paper, but it's smooth. It just feels like cardstock to me. But I guess it's because it's actually not watercolor paper. It's mixed media paper. But it's supposed to be good for watercolor. It says it's good for watercolor, wash, graphite ink, pencil, and marker. And I don't know if you could see here. It's 180 pounds or 300 grams. So it's really teeny tiny, but I just wanted to try it out before I spend more money on a bigger one. I ordered this from Amazon. It was on sale for $8.99 Canadian for the 6x8 size. It's $18.94 for the 9x12 size, and it's $30 for the 11x14, and then $70 for the 18x24. So I just got the smallest size to see if I like it. It doesn't have the texture like watercolor paper. It's very flat and glossy on both sides, but it's nice and thick. And if I like it, then I'll buy the bigger size, and I'll probably get it at Michael's, because with Michael's you get, at the very least, get a 30% off coupon. But I didn't want to go ahead and spend like $20 if I didn't like this paper. I didn't mind spending under $10 because if I don't like it for watercolor, I could still use it for my my pastels. So, I could use it for other things. But I specifically just wanted to try this out. So that's it. So $8.99 Canadian, and that's the Strathmore 400 series black mixed media. I want to call it watercolor paper, but it's not. It's mixed media paper. But it says it's good for watercolor. It says wet and dry. If you've tried this, let me know how it works for you. So I'm excited to try this because I do have some glittery watercolors that I want to test out. That I have tested them on white paper, but I've wanted to test them on black. Now I did have some black cardstock, but I was worried it wasn't thick enough and that the water would just make it buckle even if I taped it down. So I don't know. And I'm still babbling. Sorry about that. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. And hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And thank you for spending time with me today. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, and happy shopping. Bye, guys.